Hi, and welcome to Bringing AI Agents as Droids and AI Teammates for Industrial Equipment Diagnostic System. Industrial equipment failures and diagnostic delays cause major revenue losses. The manufacturing sector faces $50 million in annual losses due to equipment failure and slow diagnostics, while industry-wide downtime can cost up to $2.3 million per hour. Fortune Global 500 companies collectively lose $1.5 trillion annually. So traditional diagnostics only worsen the problem, increasing cost and lowering productivity. The Akira AI Agentic platform introduces AI agents as droids and teammates for industrial equipment diagnostics, offering real-time support, automating troubleshooting, and predictive maintenance. This reduces downtime, boosts technician productivity, and increases first-time fix rates. So organizations face several challenges in industrial equipment troubleshooting. Inconsistent technician expertise often led to inefficient troubleshooting, extending repair times, and impacting operational efficiency. So further, limited access to real-time knowledge and previous diagnostic delays issue resolution, as technician lacks up to data guides or cases records. Complex machinery requires detailed diagnostic, prolonged downtime. So further, repeat visits due to the incomplete troubleshooting, increase cost and reducing customer satisfaction. Manual data retrieval adds further delays, while misdiagnosis causes parts wastage, driving up expenses. Prolonged fixed time disrupt production, leading to unplanned downtime that affects business continuity. In addition, slow fault detection and reliance on reactive maintenance repair cause frequent breakdowns. Evolving safety and regulatory standards further complicate compliances during troubleshooting. So here the Agentic Industrial Equipment Diagnostic System on the Akira AI Agentic AI platform provides real-time support via fleet of AI agents. The AI agent as knowledge orchestrator manages technician queries, routing them to the appropriate agents for smooth troubleshooting workflow. The AI agent as real-time knowledge retriever delivers up-to-date data from manuals, cases records, and knowledge bases, helping technicians to resolve issues quickly. When an issue arises, the AI agent as co-pilot offers step-by-step troubleshooting guidance and suggests solutions based on similar past cases. The AI teammates for predictive maintenance insights work collaboratively with experts agents like the AI agent for equipment data analysis and the AI agent for fault predictions, identifying potential issues and schedule preventive action to minimize downtime. The AI agent for reporting and analysis generates comprehensive reports on troubleshooting efficiency, repair times, and solution effectiveness, offering insights to improve system performance and reliability. So if we talk about the benefits, the Akira AI Agentic Industrial Equipment Diagnostic System reduces downtime by up to 40% and improves first-time fix rates by 3x, and cutting repeat service calls. So here the feature of predictive maintenance, which prevents future issues, and troubleshooting time is reduced by over a third, boosting technician productivity. Further, maintenance costs drop by 25%, while operational handles 20% more tasks in the same time. If we talk about the customer satisfaction, it also improves by 3x, which gives more accurate issue resolution. So the system integrates smoothly with legacy equipment, ensuring safety, compliance, and enhanced equipment reliability. So till now we had discussed about the challenges and the solution by Akira AI platform.
Industrial equipment maintenance can be challenging, especially with unexpected failures causing costly downtime. Ineffective troubleshooting and lack of predictive insights make it difficult for technicians to maintain optimal equipment performance. After logging into the Agentic Industrial Equipment Diagnostic System, the technician arrives at a dashboard that provides a real-time overview of equipment status, including active alerts, fault predictions, and summaries of recent issues. AI Agent for Equipment Data Analysis reviews recent data logs and identifies potential causes for the abnormal readings. Then, The AI fault prediction agent assesses historical patterns and flags a high probability of failure within 48 hours. Based on these insights, the AI copilot suggests initial troubleshooting steps, such as checking for leaks or blockages. Upon the technician's request, the AI real-time knowledge retriever fetches relevant manuals and past case records to provide additional context. If the issue persists, the AI copilot recommends scheduling preventive maintenance, and the AI reporting agent logs each action and outcome for further analysis. Each agent plays a critical role in helping the technician resolve issues efficiently, ensuring minimal downtime. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with Agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.